Good morning, dear students. This is a grammar class. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of 14th lesson. Okay? Present perfect tense. Dear students, look here. We form the present perfect with has oblique have plus past participles. Okay? In last period we had learned that what is meant by the past participles. Okay? That means verb third form. Verb third form is called past participle. Okay? We form present perfect with has oblique have. It is very important. Plus verb third form or past participle. We use the perfect tense. We use the perfect tense when we are talking about past events. We are talking about past events that still have a link to present tense. That still have a link to the present. Remember this. Okay? म्हणजे आपण प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स कधी वापरतो अशा ठिकाणी वापरतो की ज्याची पास्ट इव्हेंट सोबत लिंक अजून अद्यापही जोडलेली आहे. रिमेंबर दिस. ओके? वी यूज द सिंपल पास्ट व्हेन द action is completely finished. When we use simple past, when the action is completely finished, action पूर्णपणे संपलेली आहे त्यावेळेस आपण simple past वापरतो. Okay? Compare these pairs of simple sentences. Okay? We want to compare the pairs, these pairs. Okay? These pairs of simple sentences. Look here. Here are some sentences we want to compare. The first sentence is here. I finished my homework. I finished my homework. Okay, this sentence is simple past tense. If you observe this sentence, you can easily identify subject plus verb second form plus object, and that formula indicates simple past. Remember this. That formula indicates simple past tense. Okay, I finished my homework. Then second sentence, I have. We can write here I have in this way, also in this way. Both are correct. I have or I have. It is short form. Okay, I have finished my homework, but I haven't washed the dish. Remember this. These are the two sentences. Okay, the first one, I have finished my homework. It is one sentence, and I haven't washed the dishes. It is second sentence. Okay, look here. If you observe in this sentence, I have, we use here subject plus have according to subject. Have oblique has. Look here. Have plus verb third form or past participle plus go. This formula indicate the present perfect tense. Remember this. This formula, yes plus have plus V3 or past participle plus O indicate the present perfect tense. हे जे सूत्र आहे पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ दर्शवतो. Okay? Now the next one. He forgot the address. He forgot the address. It is also verb second form. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Okay, remember this. Okay, subject plus V2 form. It indicates the simple past tense. Now the next, look here, simple past. Now the next sentence. He is. Remember this. He is. We can write here in this way also. He is. Here his. Sorry. His. He's forgotten the address. Remember this. He's forgotten the address. It is also present perfect tense because we use here has. Has plus forgotten. Verb third form. Remember this. Okay? Has. He has forgotten the address. It is a present perfect tense. Okay, dear students, look here. The first sentence describes complete action. The first sentence, I finished my homework. Describe. Describe means inform or वर्णन करने. Describe a complete action. that action is completed, the first sentence described. Okay, in second sentence something else is implied. That means in second sentence something else is implied. Okay, implied. It's as if the speaker is saying, what do I do now, question mark, what do I do now, question mark, or I don't know what to do next. It is very important thing, the difference between two things, what do I do now and or I don't know what to do next. Okay, in this way we can compare the two sentences or simple sentences, simple past tense or present perfect tense. Present perfect tense that still have a link to the present. Okay, the past events, remember this, past events that still have a link to the present tense. In this we understand